Alt F4 opens the equipment menu. Beef, I don't even have a keyboard to press Alt F4 on. And what is that? Why is that bird shiny? Hey, birdie, where you going? You wanna be possessed? Step 1, this. Step 2, become that bird. No, bird, come back. Why are you all the way over there? No. Oh, there's a pipe. Ow. Oh, it's the bird. Hey you, hey you. Oh no, get away from the poison. No, bird. Why do you have to fly over the poison like that? Why must you tease me? No, bird, come back. Oh, I'm really worried that I'm gonna like fall into, okay. Oh no, he's going the other way. Shoot, watch this. Here he comes, and snipe. Oh, no. No, they're all taken care of. Stupid freaking bird. I'm gonna end you. No, don't want to end myself though. Oh, why are you so difficult to hit? No. This is it. No, bird, please. Oh, come on, that totally hit him. You know those meme posts of like who would win, like overpowered thing or underpowered thing? Right now, I am that overpowered thing, and that bird is the under. Okay, maybe it's the other way around. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna like run into him this time. We're not even gonna hit him with our hat. He's gonna come over the land right over here. Come on. No! You freaking bird! You freaking bird! Ha! Oh. Oh, phew, we can get this. We got... I'm dead on the ins. Oh, okay. What happens if... Are we gonna die now? Well,